All right, thank you so much for another privilege to present to you an interesting topic about preposition. But before I forget, please, if today is your first time of viewing or coming in contact with this channel, kindly like my video, share my video, and comment. And if you're a prospective WAEC candidate, please comment below, say English master help me. If you are having any issues related to English language and literature in English, please comment below, say English master help me. Don't forget to do that. I'm going to reach out to you and make sure that you have what you need or required to pass your examination, WAEC English and Literature. Now, quickly, let's go into what I have for you today. What I have says, master prepositions at, on, by, and in. That means we are to master these four prepositions, which is at, on, by, and in, with the triangle method and the table method. All right. Now, let us look at how am I going to present this to you to understand. It's neither you use this triangle to understand or the table method to understand, but the more narrow and wider it becomes, the more we used, or both of these prepositions are used in English. So in case you are writing your essay in exam hall, you will know when to use at, when to use on, when to use in, and when to use by. So quickly, let's go to at. At is used with what? Specific time. When we are being specific. What is specific? Means to be certain. Yes, to be certain. It's used maybe at 5 p.m., 12:30, or at midnight. You are being specific. So whenever you are writing essay, you want to say something related, that you need to put the preposition. And what is preposition? Preposition shows relationship between a noun, a pronoun, or other words in a sentence. Now, number 2 is on. On is used for these two things. It's either used with one day or one date. So maybe on Monday, on January 25th, on New Year Day. Number 3 is in. In can be used with any of these things. Another in is used for months, seasons, years, decades, centuries, and what? Long period. So it could be based on months, it could be in July. Based on season, in the summer. Based on decade, maybe in 2005. Maybe in centuries, in 1960s. Maybe for a long time, it could be in the past. For centuries, maybe the 1980s. 00 and thereabout. So this is how to use in. In could be used with any of these. In July, in summer, in 2005, in 1980s, in the past. Why by? By is used for what? To show procedure. What is procedure? How things are being done, or how something is being done. So by is used for what? Procedure. Procedure. By the end of so. These are what is expected to be seen or achieved, or how something is being done. So that is how by is being used. So in order to finalize this teaching, let's quickly look at it in a sentence form. I say at is used at a very narrow situation. A narrow situation. If you look at maybe at midnight, it's a narrow situation. Are you following? At 5 p.m. is a narrow situation. Maybe at 5 p.m., I and my brother maybe encountered a difficulty. So at is used at what? Narrow situation. Number 2, on. On is used for one day or one date. Yes, it's used for one day or one date, which is maybe on my birthday. Your birthday must be one day, must be one day and one date. On my birthday, your birthday could be Monday, which is a day, and that Monday could be 17th, which is what? Date. So take note. Number three, in is used for a wider situation that is more than one day. Used for a wider situation that is more than one day. It could be in July. It could be in the year 2025. Is used for wider something. Then by is used to show how something is done. Yes, for example, we send a postcard or a letter by post. So how do you send a letter? You send it by posting it. So that is how something is being done. How do you send a letter? By posting. Then number two, we contact someone by phone or by what? Email. So how do you contact someone? By email, by phone. By what? By what phone? By phone call. So that is how you contact someone. But some people can say we tell someone on phone. You can't be on phone. If you say on phone, it means this is phone or this is phone and the person you contacted him is on. The person is not on. Preposition by is used to show maybe a book is maybe by something. So you can't contact someone on phone. You contact someone by what? Email or by phone. You can't contact him on phone. Now, number four, we pay for something by credit card or by cash. I will pay you by cash, not with. If you say with, it means you are going to attach cash with something. I will pay you by cash, not with cash, or not on cash. So, or not at cash. So, we pay by what? Cash or by credit card. Lastly, you say you can turn on a radio by pressing a button. So this is showing a procedure or how to do something. So by is used for what? To show how something is being done. At is used for what? Specific time. While on is used for one day or one day. My birthday is on. Will be on. While in is used for something like year, month, season, long time, century, and so on. So thank you so much for watching. I still remain your English master, the English master. Please, if you need my help, comment below. Say, English master, help me. I'm going to take up your case and make sure you pass your WAEC in flying colors. And if today is your first time, please kindly comment, like my video, and share my video. And don't forget to subscribe. Press subscription button so that once I release a new video, you'll be the first to get an update, a notification. Thank you so much and bye.